Okay, here we have the Arsenal low to high row. Couple things just to point out. How you adjust the seat, you pull this on the back, lift up, drop it, do it based off of your height. You can also adjust this pad, so if you want to bring it further out, you can do that. If you're a little shorter, you can bring it further up. The different grip, so you can go neutral, you can do pronated, you can do supinated. There's a bunch of different angles that you can utilize on this. You can do it unilaterally, bilaterally. So if you want to do one arm, you can do one arm. If you want to do both arms, you can do both arms. How you load it. So how you load it is you just grab a weight, put it up top, and then like I said, I like to use this with one arm so you can grip it, put your feet out in front, long stretch, drive back, pulling that elbow into your lat. And again, this is one of my favorite pieces of back equipment in here. Tons of different grip profiles, great piece of equipment.